First point, point number one, understand your role and influence. Oh, this is huge. Like, message, like, if you don't get anything else from this video, there's going to be three things here today that you need to take away to be able to ensure that your team understands that you have their back. That your team needs to understand that you need to be a influence. What is an influence, ED? Well, I'm glad you asked. An influence is not saying you need to do it my way or the highway. No way. Influence is simply saying that I'm going to show you through what I can do through leadership, what I can do through my work ethic, what I can do through who I am as a person, that I care about you, and I'm going to show you that I care about you and not just use lip service. This is influence. And then you have to have the impact. And by having that impact of stepping up to the plate. So what you're going to have to do, especially if they're not giving you that formal recognition, is that you're going to have to clearly define your role and responsibilities within the project. Let me slow that down because that may have missed you. Clearly define your role and responsibility within a project. Some of us, we call that a RACI.